Okay, people, I'm on the Whole30 and I found a chicken fries recipe that is compliant and it is so tasty, I had to share it with you. The recipe comes from a website called wholefoodfor7.com. Check it out. I found her on Instagram and she has a ton of Whole30 recipes. If this is going too fast, just pause and write it down so you can save it for later. Step one is to combine the ground chicken, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. I also added oregano and red chili flakes to a bowl, mix well, put it into a pan and freeze for a little bit so it hardens. Then take it out of the freezer after about an hour and cut it into strips. Put back in the freezer for about another hour. Combine your arrowroot flour, paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl, and in the second bowl, whisk 2 eggs together. Coat the chicken fries dry, wet, dry, and put on a baking rack and top with olive oil. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and you have this delicious meal. This was also very reasonable to make. It was probably about $8 total to make these chicken fries. Oh, this was so good. My family asked me to make this again and make it a regular. Please like and subscribe and check out my channel for more videos. Stay tuned for my Whole30 results that you'll see in the next week or so.